Quicksilver? I think so. Where am I? Tails, what's wrong with you? Tails. I thought you liked Pop-Tarts. Oh yeah, I tried to get grass and it tastes just like Pop-Tarts. Oh my god, Tails! So where the heck are we? Oh, a volcano erupted, so we went to Las Vegas.
Wait, we're in Las Vegas?
Oh yeah, no, everything burned.
Okay.
Oh, there's some dogs. Cool. I just found some dogs.
Okay, good for you. Wait, they're my friends.
Oh my god, they're running away!
I need to go bother them.
Oh my god. Bored. Hey guys. Oh my god! Boys, they'll never scare me ever again. Stay, little doggy. You're so cute. Ah!
So hungry. Oh, I need more grass. More grass. I need to go to...
That could be our house. Right? Like our little house.
No, it's my house.
Ah! Little veggies grow. You have a farm? Yeah. I named this one Leafy, and I named this one Queer. You like those names? I guess. Bad Tails! Go bad! Good night, guys!
Nice, Sonic.
Veggies.
Hey, Puppy! We have to go kidnap those little furries.
Okay.
What?
No,
Chicken nuggets!
No, I think they're what was that one?
I think they're...
My Little Pony. They're like My Little Pony.
Oh yeah, there's Rainbow Dash X Sonic. Do you know that? Isn't it so weird? Okay, let's go.
We need to go kidnap the yellow one.
Then he's right there.
We got him.
Yay! Shh, we have to be quiet. Yeah, we're quiet.
We have to be quiet.
No, quiet means it's crazy. You know that, Goofy.
I am crazy.
Oh, you're going crazy, Goofy. I'm DJ Mickey Mouse.
Wait, Mickey, what are you gonna do with the yellow pony?
Okay, we're gonna like brush his tails, and we're gonna have tea parties. Okay, let's go. Where am I?
That's my Little Pony.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna groom your tails and have tea parties.
The most evilest thing ever.
We're gonna eat you.
I don't think evilest is a word. I don't think evilest is a word.
It's definitely a word, Mickey. You're stupid. You're stupid.
Okay. Questions?
Of course. Guys, do you know where Tails is?
Oh, he's right next to me. Wait a second.
Guys, have you seen Tails? Hell no. I kidnapped your friend.
It's a attack.
Where's my friend? I don't know. Wrong answer.
Where's my Mountain Dew?
I don't know.
Wrong answer.
Yeah. Where is Tails? I can't say. Wrong answer.
Wait,
Yes,
Silver.
yes.
I got something. Where's my buddy? I don't know. Wrong answer.
Okay. I'll tell you. Just stop hurting me.
Where is he? Spit it out.
He's over there.
Where is there?
Right there.
Oh, okay. Right there is over there.
Guys, let's go!
Tails back. Never!